she goes again. Beauty queen on the way, but when she goes to bed, it's like a rhythmic nuisance. Play the 90s songs when her dreams were born. This girl is so sweet. Wonder if good girls really know what they see. Looking good but feeling incomplete. Wonder if good girls one day wake up and see. Be a good girl, but let your heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let me stop. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. mschrissyjaye is back. Don't you, no, don't jump up there. Today I'm back with a hair review, a synthetic hair review. It's been a minute since I've done a synthetic hair review. I feel like I do like a million tutorials, and I know you guys love them because I show you how to put it on. But in my old YouTube days, I used to do a lot of reviews where I would just post a whole bunch of wigs and do the reviews. If you want to see a tutorial on how I install it, let me know. But I have many tutorials. I do the same things. But anyway, so I'm here to review this synthetic wig that's just like absolutely doing something to me. Yeah, I've been pretty late on these wigs. Like I've seen like girls on TikTok review it, and I'm just like, you know what? Let me get this wig. I got it and I am in love with it. Now this is the Bare Lace Glueless Lace Wig by Sensationnel. And this is the box that it comes in. I really love what Sensationnel has done with their brand. I've been wearing Sensationnel for years. One of my first video ever on this platform reached to 1 million views from that video. I think that's how I got a lot of my subscribers and stuff like that. It was a Sensationnel wig. I don't remember what it was, but if you guys are interested, you can go to my first video ever. It's one of my playlists, I think, synthetic wig reviews. And yeah, their wigs really definitely upgraded. Like when I was first coming on, you know, I couldn't do much with the wigs. Like I had to pluck it, Now they come plucked, HD lace, colors, highlights. Like there's not really much to do. So if you don't really see me put out a lot of synthetic wig content, it's not because I don't want to. It's just that it's already perfect. The wig I'm wearing today is Sensationnel's Bare Luxe Glueless Lace. The style is a 13x6 unit number 4. And the color that I'm wearing is Secret Highlight Light Ash Brown. This is how it looks. It has a whole bunch of different colors. You can see it all in the back. All these beautiful colors. Gonna go ahead and open it. It shows you more how the wig, how you can wear it. You can wear it as a side part. You can wear it as a middle part. Right now I'm wearing it as a middle part. I just like how it looks in the middle. I added a little concealer in the middle. It comes with baby hairs, but I kind of cut them and kind of pushed them back because I didn't really need baby hairs. And it shows you the difference between HD lace, transparent lace, and their new Bare Luxe lace. So it shows you like that on the hand. The wig has 2 clips right here. It has a clip in the back and it has a strap that comes in the middle that you can adjust. It also has, you know, the regular wig caps, synthetic wig caps that come like all the way at the bottom. It's really, really comfortable on my head. It doesn't even feel like I have a wig. The texture is like a very thick yaki. It's not like a silky, it's like, it has texture to it. And I really like that about it. As you can see, like it has a lot of volume. I did add a lot of wax stick on it because it was a little too big, where it looked kind of like funny. Now I love big hair, but I don't like it too big. It was given like too big, so I just add the wax stick just to kind of make, because you couldn't see the part. It was kind of scrunched up like that. So I added the wax stick. I added a little bit of concealer so you can actually see the parting. Let me just do that a little bit. This is my wig cap. You shouldn't be able to see that, but I wear wig caps. It's kind of too light, but this is the wig cap, so don't mind that. Without that, it would look good. That's the wig cap. But I don't even have it glued down or sprayed down, as you can see. It's literally glueless. Like I don't put no glue. I have no glue, no anything, as you can see. See? Nothing. I used my Kiss tint spray to tint the lace. I cut the lace, and yeah, that was really all I did for this wig. Now I feel like this wig It gives me, I'm gonna put a picture of Kim Kardashian here because she did her hair this color years ago, like 2000, like, I don't remember what year, but she did her hair, like she literally dyed her hair. And it was like this big thing because she's always been known for like really dark hair. So when she did this color, like it was like a big thing and she looked really pretty. And it gives me that look because of the layers and the color, and that's just what I think of when I see this hair, is when she did her hair color that color. Like you can put it up too. As you can see, this is how it looks in the front. If I wanted to, I would, as I told you, I didn't glue this down, but you would, when you do put it up, you want to make sure you spray that down, and that should come down with no problem. And you can wear it like up like this. You know, you could wear it in an updo, which I think would be really cute as well, something like that. That's really cute. But I always feel like I always do those styles, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna leave it straight down. It has really no tangles, so I'm gonna show you this is how the hair looks on the end. I'm just gonna comb it out a little bit, and it doesn't really tangle. It combs through really well. I'm gonna do it with the other side. I don't want to comb it too much because I like the curls. The curls are really pretty. So as you can see, no tangles. Yeah, I like to just take this brush and just, you know, this part right here is really thick, but it still curls up. So I like to kind of just like brush it out and just kind of like push it back like that, just to give it a nice little layer. As you can see, I really do like this part right here. It just gives it like super glam vibes, like super big hair, super glam. Guys, you gotta go get this wig. I mean, it's an old wig, not old, but like it didn't just come out. And a lot of the girlies on TikTok, you know, they've already purchased it. They already did reviews and stuff. I just wanted to do mine because it's me, hello. And I wanted to try it out for myself. I'm one of those people that don't wear wigs that everybody wears, like the synthetic wigs that everybody buys. Like I like to buy the ones that nobody really knows about that much. But when I seen everybody wearing it, I was like, oh no, I gotta buy this. Like I love this so much. I want to get it in black because I know black would just eat. I don't know. I know black would just eat, like big black hair. Like I just know it would eat. So I'm definitely, or Sensational, shout out to you, can send me a black if you want to. But I definitely need this in black because, but this is like a summer. Why am I spitting? Am I okay? Hold on, I need some water. Drink your water, guys. If you guys want to see more, I mean, you're subscribed because you want to see the reviews. So I'm going to be doing a lot more different reviews. If you have any wigs in mind, because I know like the younger girlies are more hip, they, you know, they know what's in. I'm like I'm like trying to survive. You know what I mean? So I don't be having really time to like look things up. I just be like studying like the hair stuff and working to survive. But you know, the younger girlies, if you see any girl on TikTok with like, you know, the wig is really popular, just please send it to me, DM me, whatever, so that I can purchase it and review it and style it, because I am just like, Sensational is really doing a Sensational and outre. I gotta give you a round of applause. I don't think this is clock it. I know a lot of people do this and they like clock it, but this is really from the ballroom, and they do this as like a clapping instead of, yeah, it's more like, you did that, you doing that, yes, this is like my little clap. But a lot of the girls be like, clock it. I don't know. Anyway, they definitely did their big one with this wig and outre as well. But that's all, guys. I don't want to talk your ears off. I know you guys have like so much to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about the wig, if you will be purchasing her. She's absolutely gorgeous. My nose is running and it's getting on my nerves. She's absolutely gorgeous. Let me know if you'll be purchasing her. Let me know if you have any other like synthetic wigs that you want to see me review and try on. It could be from any brand, as long as it looks like I can do something with it. I will have no problem putting it on my channel. But that's all, guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Please give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And I'm about to go nowhere because it ain't hot. Peace.